Welcome back to Ping, the app that saves you time and frustration by reading all your important messages out loud. In our first tutorial, we covered the basics of how to set up Ping on your Android phone. In this video, we will show you more great features and how to customize your app. Right now, your app is in drive mode. You can listen to your emails and messages as they come in while you are driving or busy with something else. Once on the home screen, Ping is on and listening for messages. Click the pause button to stop, and click play to resume.
You are in drive mode.
You can minimize Ping and let it run seamlessly in the background. Another great feature for when you're driving is a customizable one-tap responder that will let the sender know you will get back to them later.
From Marek. My way, Mark.
You can activate and customize this message in Settings. Tap on Read My Messages to hear all your recent unread messages and email.
Unread messages.
Or you can click on any of the message icons on the bottom to listen to new messages from a specific messaging app.
Unread messages.
Tap on the plus sign to choose which messaging apps appear here. Or long tap to remove it. If you don't want Ping to read out all your messages, go to Settings and tap on Email and Message Accounts. Then select the messages that you do not want Ping to read out loud. To change which of your notifications get read out, tap on Read Other Messages and Notifications. There are two speaking modes. If you want all your messages to be read out loud automatically, select Just Me. If you have passengers in the car or other people in the room and would only like to hear the sender and subject, but no message content, select Passengers. Pretty handy, right? You can choose your voice in Settings. Click Text to Speech. Here, you can listen to the different voices and choose your favorite. Now, choose your favorite music and audio apps. You can personalize your home menu with shortcuts to your other favorite apps, locations, and contacts. Ping can save you money on fuel and maintenance by displaying your driving score after each trip. This includes how hard you brake, how fast you accelerate, and how you anticipate traffic. To activate driving behavior, go to Settings and click here. Once activated, a pop-up will notify you that the app will need to access your location to accurately measure your driving score. Click Got it, and you are all set. You can view your daily and weekly dashboard when you're finished driving. You can do this by simply tapping on the Drive Score icon. If you click on the icon in the left corner, you can trigger an emergency response. Your chosen contacts will receive a text with your name, location, and that you require urgent assistance. If you want to know more about other features, remember that you can go to Get Support in Settings to view frequently asked questions or contact us directly. We would love to hear from you. Congratulations! You now know more about Ping's great features and how to customize the app. Ping, the future is voice.